Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We got the Mac Daddy of Model A's right here, a 1931 Deluxe rumble seat roadster, six-wheeler, great colors, been restored to beautiful condition. If you go to volocars.com, that's where you can read the specs, study over 100 pictures, get the price, not only on this one, but we have a few hundred collector cars all for sale. Visit volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But let's jump in the rumble seat and take this Model A for a spin. This is my family's business since 1960. When I was a little kid, this right here, this was the 69 Rally Sport Super Sport Camaro 4-speed. I mean, this right here, like I said, is the Mac Daddy. This was the hot ticket. And even today, they're so popular because just a cute car. Wait till I start it up. You'll hear how that motor sounds. It's just a cool car. You can get any part for these. So the old cars, if you have some off-brand, they're hard to get parts for. But so many people still relate to a Model A. Still very desirable. Just a cute car. You know, you're not going to drive it every day back and forth to work, but you certainly take it out and get some ice cream and take the grandkids for a ride. But it's just beautiful to look at, too. Anyway, this was professionally restored 7 years ago by a Model A expert. It's all steel, the fenders, the body, everything. This is a real steel body, real deal car. The VIN number on these were stamped on the motor. The number still matches the title. It's painted in the Washington blue with Riviera blue and black fenders. It has Tacoma cream pinstripe and on the wheels. This is a Deluxe Roadster. Now, I could be wrong about this, but my understanding, the Deluxe came with the tan cloth top. The standard was just the black vinyl, so it's an upgraded top, and this one's in excellent condition. Even the framework is all pristine. All the bound edges are beautiful. Deluxe, I believe, came with the chromed frame instead of black. This does fold flat, or the windshield swings open. Also, Deluxe had cowl lights, chrome shell, 6 wheels, side mounts. This one has the Motometer hood ornament. It says Ford right in there. This one has the correct headlights, glass lenses that say Ford, and it says Ford right on the headlight bucket itself. The bumpers are new. It has a restored 1931 license plate. It's got some nice white wall tires. Running boards redone. It has wing windows. All the glass is excellent. It has the step plates for your mother-in-law to climb up into the rumble seat. So it's all metal. Paint's beautiful. It's not perfect, but it's really nice. It has the luggage rack. Has the right tail lights. See what it looks like with the rumble seat closed. Got to have a rumble seat. I have lots of memories riding around in these rumble seats when I was a kid growing up here. So the rumble seat and the interior match. They're completely reupholstered. Even if you look down in there, it's the whole inside's redone. It has the rubber mats in back. The Deluxe had carpet. It's got the right heel pad and the bound edges, and steering wheel's excellent. The dash is painted in pinstripe. Is a vacuum wiper that works. The gauges, there's only a couple of them there, but they do work. The lights work. It has the Ooga horn. So the motor runs really well. This is a local car, and the day the guy was bringing it to me, I knew he was coming. And I ran out to get some lunch, and I was pulling out as he was pulling in, and just the sound of it going by at like 40 miles an hour, it was just awesome. I just loved it. I would just love to take this car out for the day, and I wish I didn't have to work. 3-speed transmission. Underneath the car is super clean. The floors are all there, nice clean metal. The frame, it's just very clean underneath. Has the proper exhaust system. So why don't we fire it up? Turn it on. You got a push button start on the floor. This has a beveled mirror inside. Oh yeah, the headlights you turn on with the lever on the steering wheel. And this is just so much fun. I'm loving it. One of these levers are spark advance, one of them's the throttle. That's the throttle. Yeah, we can get that to just purr. It does have one nice feature. It's updated to an alternator. It's got a 12-volt battery system, so it'll crank over a little better. The lights are a little brighter. All the Model A's, whether it's a Deluxe, a sedan, they all had the same driveline. So it's just different body features, but they all have that same motor. That motor will just run all day and all night. Love that sound. It'll do 45, 50 miles an hour, so you're not going to get out on the highway, but you can certainly take this out and go enjoy driving it. Visit volocars.com. Plenty of ways on there to contact the salesman. I just gave you my impression of the car, but if you have specific questions, please ask them. They will help you. They'll also help with all the paperwork, financing, delivery. You can help with all that. So anyway, visit volocars.com to contact sales. And if you just enjoyed the videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. You'll be the first to see the next one that comes out. Thanks for watching.